Oh, this light is actually really bright. Afronation. Why'd you just slap me in the face? Nah, it's whatever. By slapping me.
No.
Anyway, guys, today's Afronation. Today's our flight to Miami. And we are just about done packing. Christina's, I'm not sure why she's showing out like that. I'm wearing sweats and
I have sweat shorts.
tank top. But...
No, I'll put on the shorts.
No, it's okay.
Where are they?
It's okay, bro. Like, look at
They're
her.
right here.
Our flight is like in like 2 hours, an hour and a half, something like that. We're gonna go to the airport, get to Miami, and honestly, there's not like a strict itinerary. We're just gonna go like on vibes and just like see. Bro, are you staring at me, or are you just gonna like help me? like, are you gonna help me? Like,
This is my first time.
or are you just gonna stare? Yeah, we're gonna get there. And we're just gonna be on vibes because we don't really know exactly what's happening.
And I also still have work.
Oh yeah, she still has work. I took off of work. I'm not sure why she would do that. Hopefully, get pictures and everything. But let's just like see.
I think I'm gonna wear those shorts.
Why? It's okay.
You bullied me.
Because I was just like, why are you overdressing more than me? We're here so early because Christina just,
No, I have TSA pre-check.
Okay, but
And
still.
they let her go in.
Okay, still,
So
but
she
why?
should be thanking me.
I'm just like, but the flight isn't until an hour from now, so we're just here just vibing.
It's better to be earlier. That's what all Africans do.
About to be in Miami. I heard it's really hot there, and I just really want to get nice pictures. How you feel about Afronation? Okay, she don't want to go.
I'm really excited, but I hate like humidity.
But your hair's in braids.
Yeah, but it's gonna it's bad for my skin.
Okay, only today it's gonna rain, guys. Good
Oh,
weather.
that's fire.
Yeah. Say bye, Christina. I didn't mean to get you in it. I was trying to just get the whole thing. So sorry. Hey guys, we just landed in Miami.
I fell on the runway.
She just fell right now. It was pretty embarrassing.
Actually, was snoring.
I wasn't snoring.
You actually
But I wasn't snoring.
Hella humid.
Yeah, it's very humid, but that's not good for my wigs, my lashes, and my nails. But
This is not good for
it's just not good for anything. We're gonna get our bags and head over to the Airbnb and give a little tour, and y'all can see where we're staying. I don't know how it looks like, so I'll be surprised for both of us. Okay.
Oh, Tory Lanez is in jail.
Press the thing. See? Okay, here we are first. Oh my gosh, this is kind of cute. So we're getting ready for dinner, like literally last minute plans. We just landed. I just texted my friend and I'm excited. It's time to actually look good, put some freaking makeup on this ugly face because I'm tired of looking crazy.
What are these?
They're hugs.
Aww.
Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh my gosh, you look so good.
We look good? We're really looking like crazy monkeys right now.
Okay, you said location-wise and...
Just like vibe-wise. So we found 3 ones that we thought were good, but like, so you pick which one out of those 3. Why she just handcuffed?
It's probably like disconnected.
That's disrespectful. I'm blocking her.
But The Wi-Fi, she can't control that.
And can you just look at them and then pick the place that you think is better? Jackie's coming too, right?
Probably.
I use the Smashbox photo finish.
Just take your time, just as long as.
I then use the Milani no pore zone. You can get this at Target. It's actually really cheap.
Why are you doing a whole makeup tutorial? I will give you all you want. Christina burned me 6 times.
Stop!
While she was coloring my hair, but it's okay. It looks nice.
You should have asked me to color your hair.
Well, I didn't know how to do it, so that's fine. But guys, we're about to be on our way to dinner.
She's making me feel bad.
It's fine. It doesn't hurt anymore.
I'm wearing a Opali dress.
I like her dress. Fine boy like me.
Sexy chocolate nigga like me.
That's not the song I was singing. Let's take some flicks.
It's Coco Chanel.
It is?
Coco
Oh my
Chanel.
gosh. Guys, look at us. We're going up. Also, guys, I'm wearing heels. And I don't usually wear heels, so that just shows that it's really something. Well, yeah, one of our house guests is here, named Ola, and he's going to take us to dinner. Wow, outside is really looking good. The makeup is already sweating off. But yeah, so he's gonna drive us to dinner.
So we're going for dinner in downtown Miami.
Yeah. Oh, ah.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, Ola, I know you're tired. Let's go.
It's done just you good. It's done just done just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the job, but
Our guests are really late. Can you look so you can? It's fine. We'll just wait for everybody. Say hi to the vlog. This is Destiny. This is Paula. They're gonna be here the whole weekend. Okay, say hi. I'm so tall. Nice. We stay lit. All that. You know that song?
Nope.
It's okay.
bad man no they walk up. Man no be God up. Make them they talk up. That's what they fly like a helicopter.
Okay, y'all, we're taking a little pit stop at our house to get ready for the pool party. Okay, guys, we're basically ready for the second part of the night.
Yeah,
which
6'1" that is.
is 6'1", but yeah, the pool party part. But still like the fit for the first part, and we have another thing for going out. But
Okay, but I'm gonna change because there's no way.
Prada and
Gucci?
these are Gucci.
them go fill it. Yeah, them go run it.
This is a wonderful angle.
Really, I like it.
Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer. Bossa, libido. Lego sing a sala when you they move. See green light when I.
Hello guys, good morning. Okay, why are you acting so surprised every time I vlog? Like you forgot I was doing this. They're sleeping, guys. Sorry. Today is the yacht day, so we're currently getting ready for the yacht. Like kind of what I'm doing, the yacht. Ready to go. Oh gosh, the fan's spinning it's really spinning fast, but like, why is it spinning like that on camera?
Oh, because the frames per second might be.
Oh, that's
okay.
crazy.
Yeah.
It's spinning a lot faster, guys.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, we're on our way to the hair in my mouth, but we're on our way to the yacht. Yeah, we just got food and stuff. So
We got some snacks from Family Dollar.
exactly, because we outside and it's really hot. But our fits, we look kind of cute, don't we? Yeah. But yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys, y'all heard that? Wait, are you okay?
I almost dropped it.
Okay, sorry.
everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What the freak? Today we're at the on the way back from the yacht. We outside, like this yacht was crazy. Stop it, guys! Look at her, wait, show her. How cute! How cute this girl is.
Like the yacht was lit. It was lit. It's looking crazy because like we just came back from the water and everything. But we're gonna go get ready for the actual event. Well, the Afronation event. We haven't even been to Afronation yet. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
And we're already lit. But yeah, we met some amazing people. You probably seen them in the vlog. But
Oh, do you vlog them?
yeah, I vlogged it. Yeah, a lot of it. It's like almost 5:30. We would have actually went to Afronation earlier, but it was raining. So, and now Christina's helping me recurl my hair.
I'm not gonna burn
She's not gonna burn me. I have a sweater on, so she's not gonna burn me this time. Thank you guys. Thank you. Okay, good. These are our housemates. This is done. This is Jordan, guys.
Hello, how y'all doing? Bonjour, bonsoir, ça va?
Okay, he's French. He's showing off. Guy, our guy that's always high. Jesse, come say hi. He will be soon, guys. The next time you see him on camera, he'll be high. I guarantee it. Wait, Ola, it's time for you. Come show yourself. Ola's ready to be the one. Ola, the guy. Ola, Chuku. He's evil now, guys. Are you going to have a good time?
We're gonna have the
We're gonna have the best time. Period. Hey, turn off 360. Yes. Hey, our glass cake. Affirmation. It's not easy. It's not easy. To be a bad girl is not easy. Sorry, you. Wait, I think all your cameras too. I'm gonna tag down everything. Huh? Wait! Oh my freaking goodness, y'all. Golden hour. He said hey in the back. Okay, guys, we're finally heading out. I think it's like 6:30. We're late.
Thanks to Maxine.
Please.
All my team's phone.
Please. Wait, what are you doing?
This one I better do me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me big man we do what's it going? Chihuahua, all depend. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? Chihuahua, all depend.
Hands up,
is knocking at my door. And so as the day comes, as I go on.
Hey guys, basically I almost passed out. Burna Boy, he's still performing, but we went to the back to sit down because yeah, I almost died in the crowd and Christina basically dragged me out.
I'm like so greasy.
I'm sweaty guys, it's a lot down there, but yeah. I'm gonna go feed the We came back for the ending. That was so freaking good, bro. Like, what? Oh my gosh, his exit, his entrance, everything. What?
Yeah, 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 yeah.